So at its annual tech summit, Qualcomm unveiled the Snapdragon 888 chipset that is going to power a majority of Android flagships next year. Earlier, it was expected that we would get the Snapdragon 875, but Qualcomm decided to launch the 888 instead because 8 is a lucky number in some countries such as China and 888 means triple luck. Now that is not something I made up because that is what Qualcomm said when the company was asked about the name. Anyways, Qualcomm announced the name of some smartphone brands that are going to launch their Snapdragon 888 powered flagships next year, and some of the names include OnePlus, Xiaomi, Realme, LG, Asus, ZTE, Motorola, etc. In this video, we will talk about the Realme Snapdragon 888 powered flagship phone that is codenamed RACE. On its Twitter account, the company announced that Realme RACE will be one of the first phones to launch with the Snapdragon 888. We also got the first look at the design of this phone. So as you can see on the rear, Realme RACE has a circular camera module that has 4 cameras in it. The rest of the back is clean with only the small Realme logo on the bottom. While there is no such image showing the front of the phone, we have an image that shows a hole punch design on the front, where the selfie camera is placed on the top left corner of the display. Since it is a flagship from Realme, the fingerprint scanner is there under the display and there is no headphone jack. Speaking of the specs, we don't have the spec sheet yet, but we do have a screenshot that shows the about phone section of the device. So the Realme RACE has up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage and runs on Android 11 out of the box. So that's all we know so far about this phone, and it is very much possible that the Samsung Galaxy S21 series that is launching in January next year will beat Realme RACE to be the first to launch in the market with Snapdragon 888. It is also possible that this phone will launch under a whole new series from Realme instead of launching under the already existing X series. Anyways, that's it for this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.